The landmark case of Solomon versus Solomon 1874 is a foundational in the company law, establishing the principle of separate legal identity. As a legal analysis, Orson Solomon was a successful boot and shoe manufacturer who decided to incorporate his business into a limited company, A. Solomon and Co. Limited. The company was formed with the Solomon, his wife, and 5 children as a shareholder, held the majority of the shares, and was also secured creditor through its debentures. When the company went into the liquidation, the liquidator, representing unsecured creditors, urged that the company was merely an agent of Solomon and he should be personally liable for the debts. Legal issues: separate legal identity, whether the company was separate legal identity distinct from its shareholder; personal liability, whether the Solomon as the majority shareholder and the secured creditor could be held personally liable for the company debts. The judgment of the House of the Lords rules in the favor of Solomon, establishing that number 1, separate legal personality, that the company was the separate legal distinct entity from the Solomon and its shareholder. The principal means of that the company can own a property, incur debts, and have its own suit in its name. Limited liability: shareholders limited by its liability to investment in the company. Solomon was not personally liable for the company's debts beyond the shareholding. Implication: corporate will. This case enforces the concept of corporate will, which protects the shareholder from being personally liable for the company's obligation. Incorporate benefits: it highlighted the benefits and incorporation, such as limited liability and separate legal personality, encouraging more business to incorporate. Exceptions: while the principle of separate legal personality is a fundamental, courts have occasionally perceived the corporate will in cases of fraud or incorporate conduct. Criticism: some argue that a decision allows individuals to misuse the corporate structure. Development: subsequently, cases and litigation have refined the circumstances under which the corporate will can be proceeded and ensure the principle is not misused. The Solomon versus Solomon case is a cornerstone of the company law, establishing the doctrine of separate legal personality and the liability. It had the profound impact on the corporate jurisprudence, shaping the way business operate and are regulated.